Hello, welcome back to the NCERT classes of Science of ninth standard. Dear students, in the previous class, we have studied about the characteristic nature of the states of matter. Dear student, and also we have studied the characteristics of the particles. It means we have studied the states of matter contains the particles, and in between the particle the space is there, and the particles are moving freely, are moving, they are in continuous motion, and there is an attractive force is present in between the particles that we have studied in the previous class. Dear students, today we are going to study about the different states of matter, detail about the different states of matter, about the solid, liquid and gas. Dear students, there are three states of matter is there on the earth, that is solid, liquid and gas. It is due to the variation of the characteristics of the particles of matter, variation of the particles of the matter. See, in case of solid, the particles are arranged very tightly, in case of liquid loosely, and in case of gaseous very loosely, like that. Means variation of the characteristics of the particles. On that case only we are classifying the states of matter into three states, that is solid, liquid and gas. Today we are going to study the detail about these three states. The very first state is the solid state. Dear students, before going to study this one, we have to discuss the activities. Take the materials like book or any pen and all different solid materials you take and keep on a paper and try to draw the line around these books or around this solid material. Then after this one you will get a boundary line around that solid material. It means we come to a conclusion that in case of solid material there is a fixed boundary is present around the solid material. Take suppose I am having a duster. It is around this duster. It is having a boundary. Particular boundary is there. And next, this solid is having a definite shape. See, it is having particular shape is there. I am having the duster. It is having particular shape is there. Then next, it is having the fixed volume. See, in a solid substance, it is having a fixed volume. The next, after this one more activity we have to discuss. Here, the solid have negligible compressibility. For this one, we have to discuss one activity that will relate to all these three states. Take three syringes that we have to take and open the plug. All these three syringes plug we have to open. One syringe we have to keep it blank or empty only, empty syringe. The next, in one syringe we have to take chalk materials or chalk powder or chalk. In another syringe we have to take the liquid or any water or any liquid we have to take. Then put the piston or the plug. Then try to compress and observe the compressibility of the piston in all these three syringes. In first syringe that we have taken the chalk and we try to compress it, you will get the very less compressibility or no compressibility, maybe no compressibility, maximum. Very less compressibility you will see in case of solid. Yes, in first syringe that we filled with the chalk powder or any sand, we have taken in the syringe and we put the plug and our piston. Then when we compress it will not compress, it will not show the compressibility, because in case of solid, very negligible compressibility is there, means no compressibility. The next layer, students, the solids have the tendency to maintain their shapes. See, suppose when we apply a force, see, suppose I am having a solid material. When we apply a force or when we break it with an axe, then it will be change its shape. Is it possible to break the gas? No. Solid is only having the unique characteristics that can break on applying the force. Yes? Isn't it? These are about the characteristics of the solid nature or the solid state of matter. Next, come to the next state, that is the liquid state. See, dear students, in the case of liquid, no definite shape. Take a glass of water, and pour it in a beaker. In the beginning, what happens? It is having the shape of glass. When we pour in a beaker, its shape will change. It means that's why there is no any fixed shape, but it is having the volume. See, first what happens? The water which is present in the glass, it takes the volume of that glass material, and when we pour in a beaker, it takes the volume of that beaker. Is it? Liquid doesn't have a shape, but having the fixed volume. Next, in case of liquid, more compressibility is there than the solid. When we try to compress the liquid, it will compress for a fraction. Is less compressibility is there. The next topic is one. In case of liquid, see what happens? The compressibility is more than the solid. And next, in case of liquid, diffusion is there. Diffusion, rate of diffusion is there. That we are studying in the yesterday class. See what happens? Diffusion means getting mixing. Or when we add any substance, for example, take a glass of water and try to dissolve a sugar. When we dissolve the sugar will get diffused into the liquid state. See what happens here? The liquid, see what happens? Solid, liquid and gases that will get diffused into the liquid. Here we can't diffuse any solid, liquid or gas into the solid substances. Highly impossible. But in case of liquid state, we can diffuse the liquid into the liquid or solid or any gaseous material into the liquid state. Understood? It means you can add the liquid into the liquid. Liquid will diffuse. Suppose for example, addition of sugar into the liquid that will be dissolved. Means when sugar will dissolve, so it will get diffused into the liquid. Then adding the water to the milk, water will diffuse into the milk. Yes, or any other substances. The next, gases, we can diffuse into the liquid. For example, soda water that we are seeing, carbon gas material, we are mixing into the liquid. The next, rate of diffusion in the liquid is higher than that of the solid state. Yes. The next, dear students, the particles have a great speed between the great space. Sorry. In case of liquid, there is a space is there, more space compared to the solid state. In case of liquid state, in between the particle, more space is present. In case of, suppose for example, solids are arranged very tightly, there is no any interparticular space. In case of liquid, the particles are having the space. Particles are having the space. Yes. In between the particles, there is a space. More space is there compared to the solid substances. Then next, after this one, particles will move freely in case of liquid state because of the interparticular space or intermolecular space. More space is there. That's why the particles will move freely. The next come to the next state, that is solid gaseous state. The third state of matter, that is gaseous state. It doesn't have fixed volume. It doesn't have fixed shape. Next, dear students, gases are highly compressible. That we have discussed in an activity, that is syringe activity. One syringe contains a solid material or chalk that will not show the compressibility. Then in another syringe we have taken the liquid water that shows very less compressibility, and in another syringe, third syringe, that we have kept it blank. It means it's filled with air that shows the more compressibility than the first two syringes. That is, that syringe contains solid and liquid. In case of gaseous state, more compressibility is there. In case of gaseous state, gases we can compress. You might have saw the CNG gas that is using in the vehicles. That is more amount of gases that will be compressed in a single cylinder. And next, you might have used the LPG cylinder. It contains more than 10 kg of gas in that small cylinder. That is, gas is filled with a highly compressive. Means by compressing the gas we can fill in that cylinder. The next, compared to the liquid state and solid state, the gaseous state is having the more diffusion rate. See dear students, it is because of the particular space. Diffusion rate means mixing of one state into the other state. In the gases, the solid state can be, means solid materials can be get suspend or the diffuses. For example, dust particles will get suspend or diffuses. Next, in case of solid, in case of gases, means the water vapors can be get suspend. Means rate of diffusion. Or in case of gases, suppose take one cylinder of nitrogen and diffuse another gas or mixture. The hydrogen gas gets nitrogen cylinder. Means hydrogen gas also gets diffuses into the nitrogen gas. That is, the rate of diffusion is higher than that of the liquid state and solid state. The next come to the particles move freely compared to the liquid state and solid state. Means very fastly they will move. The next of this one, the more space is present in between the particles of gaseous state compared to the liquid state and the solid state. Yes. And next of this one, the solid particles are very loosely arranged. That's all about these states of matter. Then we will study in the next class. Thank you.